For example 2, we're going to look at how to factor a polynomial, a trinomial, like 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. So it's in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, and we're going to try and figure out what the two factors would be. So basically we're doing the reverse of what we did in example 1. So using algebra tiles to factor the polynomial 2x squared plus 5x plus 3, we can look and see what we have for our length and our width. For our width, you can see we have x plus 1, and for our length, we have 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 times x plus 1 would give us 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. But we also need to figure out how we factor without algebra tiles as well.